When it comes to versatile kitchen tools, this Bella 10-speed immersion blender stands out as a powerhouse of convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a busy home cook or an aspiring culinary artist, this immersion blender is designed to elevate your food preparation with its array of features and attachments. Let's dive into why the Bella 10-speed immersion blender is a must-have for your kitchen. Right out of the box, the Bella 10-speed immersion blender impresses with its sleek black finish and ergonomic design. The blender's 350-watt motor is housed in a compact yet robust body that fits comfortably in your hand. The 8-inch blending shaft ensures you can blend directly in tall pots and pans, making it a versatile tool for a variety of recipes. The blender comes equipped with several essential attachments that enhance its functionality. Whisk attachment, perfect for whipping up meringues, cream, and other fluffy mixtures. 2.5-cup mini chopper, ideal for pureeing baby food or chopping small amounts of vegetables and herbs. 3.5-cup spouted beaker, great for blending soups, sauces, and smoothies with ease. With these attachments, you can tackle a range of kitchen tasks, from preparing delicate sauces to blending hearty soups. The Bella Immersion Blender features a powerful 350-watt motor that handles a variety of ingredients with ease. Whether you're making a creamy soup, chunky salsa, or a smooth baby food puree, the blender's performance is consistent and reliable. The 10-speed settings give you precise control over your blending tasks, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency every time. The variable speed control is a standout feature, offering a range of blending speeds to match different recipes. This flexibility ensures that you can handle everything from gentle mixing to high-speed blending, making it suitable for both delicate and robust ingredients. 10-speed settings mean you can fine-tune your blending to achieve the exact texture you desire. The Immersion Blender is equipped with durable stainless steel blades that are built to last. These blades effortlessly blend soups and sauces to a velvety consistency and handle tough ingredients with ease. The stainless steel construction also ensures that the blades remain sharp and effective over time. The Bella 10-speed immersion blender is designed with user comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, reducing hand strain during extended use. The blender is also lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and control as you blend, mix, or chop. Cleaning up after using the immersion blender is a breeze. The blender's parts are dishwasher safe, including the stainless steel blades and the various attachments. The 2.5-cup mini chopper and 3.5-cup spouted beaker are also easy to clean and can be placed in the dishwasher for added convenience. The extra long cord ensures that you have plenty of reach while blending, but it can be easily stored away when not in use. With the Bella 10-speed immersion blender, the possibilities are endless. Use it to prepare soups. Blend directly in your pot for a smooth, creamy texture. Smoothies. Achieve a perfectly blended smoothie with the 3.5-cup beaker. Meringues and whipped cream. The whisk attachment is ideal for creating light and airy mixtures. Baby food. The mini chopper is perfect for pureeing fruits and vegetables for your little one. Dips and sauces. Make homemade dips, sauces, and dressings with ease. This blender simplifies the cooking process, making it easier to prepare a wide range of dishes quickly and efficiently. Pros and cons. Pros. Versatile attachments. Includes whisk, chopper, and beaker for various tasks. Powerful motor. 350 watts of power. Handles tough ingredients. 10-speed settings. Offers precise control for different recipes. Dishwasher safe. Easy to clean with removable parts. Compact design. Fits in small kitchens and is easy to store. Cons. Noise level. The motor can be somewhat noisy during operation. Limited capacity. The mini chopper is ideal for small quantities. Final thoughts. The Bella 10-speed immersion blender is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance. Its powerful motor, variable speed control, and range of attachments make it a valuable asset for any home cook. Whether you're blending soups, whipping cream, or pureeing baby food, this immersion blender provides the convenience and functionality needed to simplify your kitchen tasks. If you're looking for a reliable and multifunctional blender that doesn't take up too much space, the Bella 10-speed immersion blender is worth considering. Its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use ensures that it will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.